Hi, welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethelene. So for today's lesson, we're going to talk about the phrasal verb pitch in. What does it mean when someone says, I need you to pitch in? Can you pitch in and help me? It means, can you assist? When we pitch in, we help people, we assist them, we provide aid. A parent will often say this to their child, we've all got to pitch in to get some work done around here. We all need to pitch in to clean the house. A coach would say the same to their team players. All right, everybody's got to pitch in and get this court clean or get this grass mowed. But basically, the idea that you want to understand is when you pitch in, you are helping. So as far as structure is concerned, you can use the verb in the infinitive or you can use the verb in and of itself. So for example, we could say, I need everyone to pitch in and help me clean up this mess. We all need to pitch in if we're going to finish this project on time. How about everyone pitches in so that we don't have to stay here longer than we have to? Let's all pitch in to accomplish this goal. If you really want to help, you can try to pitch in. So you see that I went back and forth between using the verb in the infinitive as well as just using the verb in and of itself. That's essentially it. When we pitch in, when someone says they need you to pitch in, it means they need you to help. Because when we all contribute, then work gets done quicker and probably a lot more efficiently and probably better because, as they say, two heads are better than one. Or in this case, perhaps many heads are better than one. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button below. Bye.